Hi children, welcome to VIN Sushmita here. Today you are going to learn GK chapter 9 Nature's Beauty. What you are going to learn children about the beauty in the nature you are going to learn. Okay, see, nature is everything that is not made by man. Okay, what is nature means that the things which are not made by the man. Okay, see, like buildings, bikes, cars, everything it is man made. But what are all the things which are not made by the man are called as the natural things. Okay, now we will see plants, animals, oceans, rivers, mountains, clouds, stars and many such wonders from nature. See, the plants, animals, oceans, rivers, mountains, clouds, stars, that are all natural things. They are not made by the mans. Okay, now from time to time, nature amazes us with its occurrences. See, in sometimes and all the nature will amaze us by its occurrences. Okay. Now we will read this. Okay children. Now see, read about these beautiful nature events and match them with their correct pictures. Here what we should do, we should first read the description and we should match with this correct picture. Okay children. Now we will see here. Okay. See, rainfall occurs when water vapor changes into liquid form and falls down from the clouds due to Earth's gravity. See, rainfall occurs when water vapor changes into liquid form and falls down from the cloud due to the Earth's gravity. Now, in the picture where the water or rain they have shown children in the B picture, right? So, we'll match it, okay? Next, see, snow forms when water vapor condenses into ice directly without changing into water. Snow flames are made of tiny ice particles. See children, snow forms when water vapor condenses into ice directly, means when the water directly condenses to the snow or a ice, it forms a snow. Okay, these snowflakes are made up of tiny ice particles. Okay children, now we'll see where is snow. Yes, here the snow is there, no children. Now we'll match these to this picture. Okay, see, yes. Next, see, when particles from a solar storms react with the gases in the atmosphere above, into the atmosphere above, they begin to glow. This phenomenon is called northern lights or aurora australis. They usually takes place in the polar regions. Means, see children, the solar system, when the heavy gases, when the solar storms reacts towards the heavy gases, it forms a lightning. This phenomenon is called as the northern lights or aurora. Okay, these lights are usually forms in the polar regions. Okay, now see children, in these pictures where is the light is formed. See, here the light is forming, right? So we'll match these to this. Okay, next we'll see, falling stars are sneakers of light that we sometimes see in the night sky. They are now stars, but bit of the space rocks called meteoroids, floating around in space. They burn bright on entering the Earth's atmosphere, giving us an amazing show. See children, the falling stars, they are a sneak of lights. Okay, they are falls in sometime we can see in a sky in the night time. Okay children, and these are called as meteoroids. They are also called as, they will be floating around the space. Okay, they burn a bright and entering to the Earth's atmosphere and it will give a amazing shows. Okay, now which is the one which has left? This is the one which has left. See, like this only it will be seeing. Okay children, see, will match it. Okay.